Turmeric side effects, health benefits and risks. The bright yellow color of processed turmeric has inspired many cultures to use it as a dye. Ground turmeric is also a major ingredient in curry powder. Capsules, teas, powders and extracts are some of the turmeric products available commercially. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric and it has powerful biological properties. Ayurvedic medicine, a traditional Indian system of treatment, recommends turmeric for a variety of health conditions. These include chronic pain and inflammation. Western medicine has begun to study turmeric as a pain reliever and a healing agent. Positive side effects of turmeric. It's anti-inflammatory. This anti-inflammatory ability might reduce the aggravation that people with arthritis feel in their joints. The foundation suggests taking capsules of 400 to 600 milligrams mg of turmeric up to 3 times per day for inflammation relief. It can relieve pain. Many people, including doctors, cite their own anecdotal experience with turmeric as a pain reliever. The spice is reputed to relieve arthritis pain as well. Studies seem to support turmeric for pain relief, with one noting that it seemed to work as well as ibuprofen, Advil in people with arthritis in their knees. Though dosing recommendations seem to vary, those who participated in the study took 800 mg of turmeric in capsule form each day. It improves liver function. The antioxidant effect of turmeric appears to be so powerful that it may stop your liver from being damaged by toxins. This could be good news for people who take strong drugs for diabetes or other health conditions that might hurt their liver with long-term use. It can aid your digestion. Turmeric can also play an important role in digesting the food. Because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can contribute to healthy digestion. It used in Ayurvedic medicine as digestive healing agent. Now Western medicine has begun to study how turmeric can help with gut inflammation and gut permeability, 2 measures of your digestive efficiency. Turmeric is even being explored as a treatment for irritable bowel syndrome. Negative side effects of turmeric. It can upset your stomach. The same agents in turmeric that support digestive health can cause irritation when taken in large amounts. Some participants in studies looking at the use of turmeric for cancer treatment had to drop out because their digestion was so negatively affected. Turmeric stimulates the stomach to produce more gastric acid. While this helps some people's digestion, it can really do a number on others. It thins your blood. Turmeric's purifying properties may also make you bleed more easily. It's not clear why this happens. Other suggested benefits of turmeric, such as lowered cholesterol and lowered blood pressure, probably have something to do with the way turmeric functions in your blood. People who take blood-thinning drugs like warfarin, Coumadin should avoid consuming large doses of turmeric.